Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana, you know the vibe, we see you looking. You should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the Saucy Chef, she got skills.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making stuffed shells. The ingredients that we're going to need today are Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, parsley flakes, ground black pepper, jumbo shells, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 24 ounces of your favorite pasta sauce, 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella cheese, 4 ounces of mild cheddar cheese, 1 pound of ground beef, 1/2 of a medium onion diced, and 2 large garlic cloves minced. To a pot of boiling water with a little salt added, we're going to add in our jumbo shells. And you want to cook them according to the package. Now to a heated saucepan, you want to add in your tablespoon of olive oil. Let that come to temperature. Now I added in my onion, and you want that to saute for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, add in your minced garlic. And you want to saute for 1 minute. Now you can add in your ground beef. We're just going to break that apart and let it mix in with our onions and garlic. You want to continue to break down your ground beef, and we're just going to let it cook until it turns all brown. My ground beef, I'm going to season it. I'm going to add in some adobo all-purpose seasoning, and guys, you can season your ground beef the way you like it. I'm adding in some ground black pepper, garlic powder, and some onion powder. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until everything is well combined. Once your ground beef is done, you want to turn off the heat. We're going to drain it of all excess grease. Then you want to place it in a bowl and set it to the side. Once your shells are done cooking, you can go ahead and drain them. After you drain them, you can run them under some cool water, and then you want to set them to the side. Now for my pasta sauce, I had seasoned it with garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and ground black pepper, and you guys can season it to your liking. Now for the ricotta cheese mixture, you're going to need 15 ounces of your ricotta cheese, 2 teaspoons of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, and 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And guys, if you want to season yours differently, you can. Transfer my ricotta cheese into a larger bowl. So I'm going to add in my ground black pepper, my adobo all-purpose seasoning, parsley flakes, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, and my onion powder. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything until it's well combined. Now you can add in your egg and mix until well combined. Now I'm going to add in some mozzarella cheese, and guys, you can add the cheese of your choice. I'm going to mix that until it's well combined. Now you want to take your ground beef and you want to add some to your ricotta cheese mixture. I'm going to add about half of the bowl. Then mix until well combined. Done, set it to the side. Now you want to turn your oven to 350 degrees. You want to get a baking dish, and we're going to get our pasta sauce. I'm going to put like 2 to 3 tablespoons to the bottom of our baking dish. And all you want to do is go ahead and spread it out. Next, we're going to take our pasta shells. You just want to get a spoon, and we're just going to spoon in our ricotta cheese mixture into the shells. Now, once you have all your shells filled, we're going to take the remainder of the ground beef. We're just going to sprinkle it over top. Now we're going to get our pasta sauce and begin to add the rest of it over top of our shells. Once you added all the sauce, we're going to go ahead and grab our mozzarella cheese and also our mild cheddar cheese. Remember, you can use the cheeses of your choice. And we're just going to sprinkle it over top. Now we're going to take a piece of aluminum foil and cover it. Before you cover your pasta shells, you could take some non-stick cooking spray and just spray a little bit onto your aluminum foil so it doesn't stick to the cheese. Now it's ready to go into our oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, you want to remove the aluminum foil. Then we're going to place it back into our oven for another 15 minutes. Okay guys, so our pasta shells are now done. I'm just going to sprinkle some parsley flakes over top. I know you can't see the shells, but you will be able to. I'm going to let them cool off for about 10 minutes and then I'm going to plate them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our stuffed pasta shells. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?